This is a 1931 Indian 101 Scout belonging to Buzz Canter from Classic American Iron, CAIMAG.com. It is 18 degrees out right now. It's the middle of February 2011, and the bike hasn't been started in, at least a month, and we're going to see if we can get it started. It has been sitting in the garage, so I'm hoping it'll start fairly easily. Start by turning on the gas, letting the gas flow down into the carburetor. We'll set the choke on, ignition off, full throttle, retard the ignition slightly, and give it a primer kick. Okay, full throttle off, choke half on, ignition on, just a little bit of a throttle, and if we do it right, she should start right up. Or not. Oh, I guess she is too cold. Let's try it again. It won't start, so full process. Full choke, full gas, primer with ignition off. 1, 2. Choke down, ignition on, just a little bit of gas. I guess she's cold. Let's try it one more time. Same starting procedure each time. Primer 1, 2, choke down, ignition on. This is Buzz Canter from Classic American Iron Magazine, CAIMAG.com, going out for a ride in the middle of February 2011, 18 degrees out, on my 101 Scout, one of the best handling motorcycles ever made, and probably the best Indian ever made.